So here we have JavaScript while loop. So here you see definitions. Loops allow JavaScript to repeat a block of code again and again. For example, repeat a message 10 times. Go through all items in an array. Count number in orders. JavaScript has two types of while loops. First one it is while loop. Then next is do while loop. You see while loop, then do while loop. So let's understand both with simple examples. So this is here like what is a while loop. First we will talk about while loops. So a while loop repeat a block of code as long as the condition is true. Here condition is checked first. Here we will. This is a syntax of your while loop. Let me remove the comment. This is here. Okay. Here condition is checked first. So you see this is condition inside a parenthesis. Here condition is checked first. Then if the condition is true, code run. Means here this is here this code. Whatever you write inside this while loop inside it here in this block. Okay, if the condition is true, here this condition is true, then code runs. Means inside it here this code will be run here. If the condition becomes false, loop stops. Here if it is false, this is false, then you have to stop this block of code. It will be not execute. Now this is here we have example. Okay, let's say we want to print number from 0 to 9. Okay, just I want to print number from 0 to 9. So let me here we will here take an example. Let I is equal to 0, then let text is equal to just empty string. Then here okay, first step it is initialize I to 0, then empty string to store the result. Okay, then step 2 it is here check the condition is I it is less than 10. So that's why here we will check the condition if while here I it is less than 10, then inside it here okay step 3 that is 8 in the text, and step 4 increase I every time. Okay, let you know this is here I'm talking about. This is a here assignment operator. Here you write the string, the numbers is okay. So this is the number is plus I. Okay, then again plus this is a backward slash here. It means it is a new line. Okay, and then it's a menu here step 4 to increase your I values. This is I plus plus. Okay, and then here you have to console.log. Okay, print your result. So here you write this is here console.log that is text. Okay, so let me check it here guys what we will get the result in the terminal. So let me here you have to click on this 3 dot, then go in the terminal. Here we have a new terminal. Then let me copy this because I'm going to use CMD. Here you have to write CMD, open, then inside it is let me close this one, minimize, and this is here, and then here you have to change your directory cd command. Okay, the thing you have to copy your command. Let me close. This is here you have to copy this path. Okay, so now paste in the terminal. Here what guys, let me remove this. Copy all this, then paste it here. Then here you have to remove this PS. Now it is find change directory, then your path C. Okay, so you see dive users. Okay, and then just enter. Now at this time you are here. Then you have to export these files like -script_23. So here you have okay, let me close. This is format your document. Then inside inside here let me here to write the node mind_script_23 23. Okay, make sure it. Then okay, condition it is not defined. Okay, I know that because here we forget to comment these conditions. This syntax you have to comment first and then you here let me execute cls, then again you have to execute files and you will see your result. The number is 0, the number is 1, then number is 2, the number is 3, the number is 4, number is 5, number is 6, number is 7, number is 8, then it is here number is 9. Okay, so that is fine. Here we have to just print a number from 0 to 9. Okay, and then you will say each time your value here it is text. Here whatever we have the text, just you have to print now. Then next about here what is do while loop. This is do while loop. Okay, so here we have like one more important warning. If you forget to write I plus plus here if you forget to write I plus plus like this is here, just here it is missing, then in that case the loop never ends and the browser will freeze or crash. So let me just here at this time it is now terminal. So now here you see here suppose you have to forget to write okay I plus plus, then what happen here the loop never ends, then your browser will freeze. This is just execute and you will see the result. Okay, this is here, it is nothing. Okay, now you see it will be here. Okay, this is but it is not understandable. Let me just terminate. How you can understand like this is here, just if you write title is less than 0, then here we forget to increment. Okay, no worry about it. Then inside here let me just print your console.log. This is here, then check here what happened. Let me say this, then and you see okay. So it is very dangerous, guys. You have to always put here C++, okay, I++, you have to increment, otherwise this is here it is cause the loop never end and your browser will be crashed. Okay. So this is now we have to comment on this. This is okay, guys. Here, this is like example first. Here, what is going on? I think we have removed something. This is okay. The thing here we have collapsed. Okay, these things. So okay, but you have understand about the example. So here we have to go to the next. Here, what is do while loop here? A do while loop is similar to while, but it runs the code once before checking the conditions. Code always run at least one time. The condition is checked, and if the condition is true, repeat. If false, you have to stop it. And this is my syntax about do while loop. This is your syntax here about your do and while loop, about your do while loop. So you see here, code runs at least once. Then here we have a example about this here. So let me, this is a here, we have to start let I is equal to 0. You have to start with 0. Then text here, create another variable let text is equal to just you have to initialize with empty string. Then do while here inside it here it is less than, it is 10. This is about 10. Here checking condition after runnings. So inside here we will run this first, then increase I. Here text plus assignment. Here the number is, this is you have to concat, this is a plus symbols I, then plus, okay, then inside string here backward slash to the, right, after that here you have to increment I plus plus, okay, then outside here you have to just console.log, this is your text, okay. So here let me just, we will try to execute, okay. So first thing here, you know that here code inside do while, here do, and then this is your parenthesis, run immediately. So okay, whatever we have conditions, it will be run at least one time, okay, after running JavaScript check here, okay, JavaScript check height is less than 10. If it is true here if it is true, then it repeat, okay, if false it stops. So here if it is false, then stop. Let me, here we have to again execute this code. Here you have your file, and okay, so within that again we have to comment this syntax. This is here your do while loops, okay. So let me again here just say this, then you see here your number is 0, then your number is 1, then number is 2, number is 3, then number is 4, number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? Then here you have to comment, then here about we have the special case. Even if the condition is false at the beginning, the do while is still run once. I have already told you guys. This is here. Suppose let me will take an example. Here I is equal to 20. You have to start with 20. Go inside it here. Here you have to write console.log. Here this runs once even if condition is false. Okay. This is here inside while loop. It is I. It is less than to the 10. So you see guys here. This is I, it is equal to 20, but you see 20 it is less than 10, so it is false. You know that already it is false. But here, if the condition is false, you say it is condition false. Here, false at the beginning. Okay, at the beginning your condition is false because I it is 20 and this is 10. So 20 is less than 10, so it is false. Okay, false at the beginning. The do while loop is still run once, at least one. Okay, let me check it in the terminal. So not here, in command prompt here, and you see this run once even if condition is false. Got it? So this is your special case about do while loop. Then here we have warning for both the loops, and that is what here. Always update your loop variables, that is I plus plus inside your do while loop or while loop. Here you have to always increment. If you do not, the loop never ends and your browser can crash. So this is very dangerous. Okay. Then after that here we have a comparing while loop and for loops. So here for loop has initialization condition update. A while loop only has the condition. You write initialization and update separately. So here we have the example using a for loop with an array. So this is here. Let me go to here. So here write in the const which is equal to inside array. This is BMW. Okay. Then this is Volvo. The next about this is Saab. The next about Ford. Then here you can initialize variable. Here at the bottom, let I it is equal to 0. Then let text it is equal to just empty string. Then after that here we have this is for loop inside it. That is your initialization. We have already initialized net, and then course here we have index. Okay, here you see here we have defined it as 0. And then here we have your increment. We have increment inside it. Then inside here you can see here like missing your init and updates. Okay, so here we have to write the text plus is equal to course, then I here, then after that this is a plus. Here you have to hit the empty strings, then here I plus. Then here we have a update in the main values. After that here we have to console.log, that is your text. So this is your for loop. Okay, using a for loop with array here. A while loop only has the conditions. You write initialization and update separately. But what happens in this for loop here? A for loop has initializations, conditions, and update. You see this is here. You have initialization, conditions, then update. So let me just we have to okay. Here we have to execute date files, and you see here your BMW Volvo. Okay, we need some spaces here. This is about here inside strings. Then again we execute and you see the result BMW Volvo. So okay, then about let me copy this. Okay, not here. We will comment all this. Then here we have the example. Here same example using while loop. So the thing here you have to copy paste all the code. This is here all this code and paste it. Remove your comment. Now here remove the comment, and then you see like car BMW Volvo, then so for I it is equal to 0 text, and then here we have a condition. Okay, we need to change according to your while loops. Here we have a while loop. This is a while loop. Okay, then here you have to write your conditions. This is your conditions, and then inside here condition element exists. Then here we have to increment I plus plus. Okay, then this is text. So here what happened? Okay, here what happened? Here both give the same result. But so you see here both give the same result. Let me execute here so that you will understand. This is here. Just execute and here you will get the same result with the while loop and with for loops here. Okay, both give the same result, but while loop is simpler when you only need the conditions. Here if you only need the conditions. Okay, so now that was enough for your while loop and do while loop. So in the next lecture here we will move to our next topic, that is JavaScript break. Got it? So if you found this tutorial is helpful, so here you have to subscribe the channels.